Today I'm talking about how much does a barn house cost in New Zealand. Welcome everybody to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We have an awesome one for you today. Today I'm talking about how much does a barn house cost in New Zealand. Kit set or the build. With that kit set, that's going to be everything you need for the external shell with the internal walls. With the build, we're talking from concrete slab to the full external shell completed and the internal walls. So let's start it off. A 1-bedroom barn house. We've got 3 different brochures, so I'll go through. 48 square meters of living space, 120 square meters of shed space, total 168. Kit set, you're looking at $114,730 including GST, $683 a square meter. If we were to build that for you, and this is just based on a normal flat site and a high wind speed zone in the Waikato, you're looking $225,255. That's all colour steel, New Zealand made access steel framing for the habitable section, New Zealand made portal frames for the garage section. You got New Zealand roller doors in there, so you're supporting Kiwis the whole time using this. Double glazed windows with low argon gas, so it's all designed for the latest insulation requirements. And so inside this, you're going to have ranch sliders, you're going to have opening windows, and you got room for the bedroom, bathroom, and then you got the kitchen and living. So that's the 1-bedroom barn house you're looking at there. Then if you wanted the Kiwi barn house, we get so many people ask us, this is going to be 60 square meters of living, 155 square meters of shed space, total 215 square meters. What's cool about this one is the living is upstairs in the mezzanine area. And so for the kit set, you're looking at $131,857, $785 per square meter. You got this cool little deck out the front. So this is a great one, you know, retirees, you're setting it up, Airbnb, that sort of thing. You've got the full garage and space downstairs, and then you got this cool area upstairs as a living area hangout. $252,000 for the external shell to lock up stage, so $1,500 a square meter. So that's great value for that one there. Then the third one, 2-bedroom habitable barn house for it. So 64 square meters of living space, 160 square meters of shed, 224 in total, so slightly larger than the last one, but we've managed to squeeze 2 bedrooms in there, one sort of master, one sort of single, and then you got the bathroom, kitchen and living. Kit set, $128,436 or $573 a square meter. Building erected, $264,332, $1180 a square meter. Certainly cheaper without having to have the extra engineering for the mezzanine. It's all down there on the ground floor. We've done so many habitable shed houses up and down the country, so we're rolling through them, so many different designs. So feel free to talk to us. We're happy to deliver a kit set nationwide in New Zealand. We've also got builders all around this great country, but if you want us to build it, we're realistically building from Taupo up to the North Waikato / our mates Auckland. So up to Whangarei, we've got builders sorted out and we're doing projects all over the show. I mean, I gotta say thanks to everybody that watches these videos. Your support is huge. We love seeing the channel grow. If you got any questions, just comment below. I'm always going to be answering those. Give us a like, obviously a subscribe, we like it. I've got to shout it out, all the Waikato Sheds team and staff as well, doing a great job. All our subbies, all the builders, the concreters, we love you. All the suppliers that are going out there, working in the factories and making all these great products in this great country. We appreciate you all. Without you, we wouldn't be able to do these things, but with you, we're able to bring these awesome shed houses, barndominiums and barn homes to the great people of Aotearoa. So cheers for watching. I hope that was informative and have yourselves a great day.